Last month, we told you that Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi is likely to attend the MWC trade show in Barcelona that begins on February 26. Xiaomi is rumored to be unveiling a couple of new phones at the show. One is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2s. This would be a revised version of last year's sequel to the Xiaomi Mi Mix. The latter was the first phone to show off the nearly bezel-less look that has become so popular these days. The Mi Mix 2s would replace the Snapdragon 835 chipset used on the Mi Mix 2, with the new Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. In addition, the rear camera will feature Sony's new IMX363 sensor that offers faster dual-pixel autofocusing, and allows users to take better photos under low-light conditions. There is also talk about the phone containing a facial recognition system similar to the Apple iPhone X's Face ID. Besides the Mi Mix 2s, we just might see the Xiaomi Mi 7 get pulled out of the manufacturer's hat at MWC. According to a screenshot that was disseminated on Friday, the Mi 7 could feature a 5.6-inch display with a resolution of 1080 x 2160, also known as FHD+. This means that the Mi 7 will feature an aspect ratio of 18:9, and will probably offer an edge-to-edge display with the near bezel-less look. The screenshot reveals that the Snapdragon 845 chipset will be under the hood, carrying an octa-core CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU. 8GB of RAM will be inside along with 128GB of native storage. On back will be a dual camera setup with two 16MP sensors employed, and keeping the lights on will be a large 4480 mAh battery. We would take the information on the screenshot with a grain of salt. The MWC 2018 opens on February 26, and the day before we should see the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus unveiled. According to some with knowledge of Xiaomi's plans, the Mi 7 unveiling might get held back until a later date. This way, it won't have to compete for attention at MWC with Xiaomi's 2018 flagship models.